4 people were fortunate to escape serious injury following a two-vehicle collision in Ti Rocher, Micoud on Wednesday afternoon. Emergency services were called to the scene shortly after noon following reports of a collision involving a van and a truck. Amateur video footage of the crash aftermath quickly circulated on social media, depicting the significant damage to both vehicles and the swift response of emergency personnel. The extensive wreckage highlighted the potential for a far more devastating outcome. The collision caused substantial traffic disruption in the area, prompting authorities to divert vehicles through Ti Rocher while the roadway was cleared and the investigation into the cause of the crash began.
On Wednesday, 23 April 2025, the St. Lucia Fire Service responded to an emergency call for a motor vehicular collision at 12:10 p.m. involving 2 motor vehicles on the Micoud highway. On arrival at the scene, 4 persons were found to be involved in the incident. On assessment, 2 adult females sustained minor injuries about their bodies. 1 adult male had to be extricated, where he sustained multiple injuries about his body, and the other was assessed but declined transportation to the hospital. 3 individuals were treated, then transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
Residents in the area expressed relief that the incident did not result in fatalities or more severe injuries. Authorities are continuing to investigate the circumstances surrounding the collision. At a police press conference Thursday afternoon, law enforcement again appealed to drivers to observe traffic laws, emphasizing concerns that the island has witnessed drivers navigating roads with reckless abandon.
In terms of number, between January and current date, serious accidents would have numbered about 589 serious accidents. That's way too many for a small island. Yes, we have a large number of vehicles on the road, 90,000 based on the Transport Board's end of year statistics last year, and we have a very high population. Nonetheless, the number of crashes, number of serious accidents, the number of fatalities is way too many. Yeah. So I wish to implore all road users, whether you're a motorcycle driver, a motor vehicle driver, a truck driver, a long-haul vehicle, we need to exercise a great degree of caution on the road.
St. Lucia streets are not for the faint of heart. The island has seen a visible increase in the number of vehicles, fueling car ownership as an expanding import market brings more dealers and traders alongside established dealerships with hundreds of vehicles, particularly the popular hybrid electric models, arriving at the ports. Anecdotally, traffic volumes appear to have increased with all types of makes and models crisscrossing the island's limited roads from Sunday to Sunday and at all hours. Joachim Duplessis, HDS News Force.